In front of me is OUKITEL WP23, and today I would like to show you how you can select and delete multiple photos at once. Begin by opening Photos app and selecting Photos or Library at the bottom right or left corner. After you decided, you need to hold one of your files that you wish to delete. And to select multiple right away, use those type of dots at the top right corners. Now to exclude some of your pictures that you wish to keep, click on them. And to get rid of the rest, use this bin at the top right corner next to our shopping cart. Lastly, confirm your choice in the pop-ups. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!